po yung bahay ng pusa. Second floor pa.
So they are finished now. That video is 2 days ago, so they've been doing that for 2 days. Finish. So that's the floor of the second floor. That's Pico. Hako. So my house is very messy. Let's see where's the 2 cats here. There's no one here. Oh, there's the tuxedo there. I'm not sure if you can see. It's very bright. Where? Oh, there. Oh, it's very hot day. Very hot. No one here because it's hot. No one. That's Emma. She's sleeping, so I don't like to disturb her. So let's go inside. They are all on the floor. Look. I have lots of cleaning after this, especially this cat's area. I will remove lots of shelf here and we'll clean. We'll scrub the wall. So a lot of things to clean. This is Stanley. Is Stanley beautiful? And this the balls. Angelus. Stanley. And that's the kitten have eye infection. He is fine now. Not really fine. It's still the eyeball is still a little blurry. So it's like 80 to 90% fine. That's Bowie. Bowie pig, big face. It's hot, that's why they are all in the floor. Oreo, skinny Oreo. So it's dirty house. What? The calico that I cannot touch. Hi. Taco. Just a little more weight, so then they can have a own room upstairs. Okay na. Ano mo? It's very hot. Okay, so let's off this one first. And the mama. Wait, I will need to open the flash. Okay, so this is the mama from the hospital. So she back Wednesday. So since Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. So 4 days in clinic, and she have only 3 kitten now. So I lost the 3 kitten. My vet told me that she maybe have infection, so the babies drink the infected milk. That's why. So when they back from the clinic, they're all skinny. The mama also is skinny, and the 3 kitten is skinny. So I want to help the kitten too, because the mama will not produce milk so soon. That's why I've been feeding the babies. So I actually feel sorry to the 3 kitten. They're still very young, but they learn to eat solid food, the boiled fish, because they are hungry. So I feel sorry to them. Look at this. That he's trying to eat, but it's actually a good thing, because they want to live. That's why they try to eat solid food, because they don't really have a lot of milk from the mama. So they want to live, so I want to help them too. That's why I feed them milk. Sorry, the camera is not so good. They are so tiny. They are all skinny. So the mama lost real babies. So only her babies, real babies, only one remaining. That one, because these two, this and this, that's from the dead mama. So look at him. Oh my God. So look at them. They are trying to eat. That's why it's more job for me now, cleaning the fish. I mean, removing all the fish bone, because I don't like to choke the kitten. So before I give them the food, I remove all the dangerous fish bone first. Look at them, very tiny, but they are trying to eat. So they are almost one month now, but they are still very tiny. Look at that. When King 2 weeks, this the same size of them. So it's just because the mama get ill, that's why slowly the growth is slow. Look at them. They're so skinny. Wait, the mama blocking the camera, that's why I cannot open this. I want to show you the ribs. You see that? The ribs. Oh my God. So before, I just keep checking all of the kitten. I forget about the mama. That's why she got dehydrated too. So when I took the mama in the clinic, my vet told me that she also dehydrated. Not a bit dehydrated. She already dehydrated. Oh my God. This one, he never show any weakness. Only this, and the other one, that one more skinny. I think these 2 kitten from the dead mama, they are healthy, because it may be the mother, since pregnancy, she's healthy too. That's why these 2 kitten the most strong. Oh my God, look at him. He's trying to eat. So I have hope for that one, because he is the weakest of all the 3 kitten, because he's trying to eat. from Wednesday and Thursday and Friday, I really try hard to feed them every 2 hours. That's why I feel so tired and not enough sleep for 2 days. Then Saturday, yesterday, not really. I do like every 3 hours or 4 hours because I saw them eating the food. That's why I feel I rest a little bit yesterday and also today. So like I said, I have hope for this, especially this one, because he's trying to eat. And this is the two babies. This one, the kitten had head injury, but he's fine now. And also that one, they grow a little bit. Sometimes they are crying when the mom back home, but I don't like to put them together because the kitten not that strong. So look at them. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So they are trying to eat. Oh my god, that's why I feel sorry to them. Very early to learn eat the solid food because the mama ill. But of course, not blaming the mama because not her fault why she get ill. At least she get ill when she's here with me, because if not, then she will not have any medication because the owner, not sure if the owner will send her to the hospital, but maybe now. So now the kitten eating. I don't really need to kill myself by giving them milk like every 2 hours. No. And here's all the girls. So Thursday I travel like 3 hours back and forth just to find their milk because I cannot find here. So just this tiny milk need to travel to 3 hours back and forth. So I bought two sachet. So maybe before they consume that 2 bag, they already more stronger and eating very well the solid food. It just I don't like to lose more kitten because I already lost 3. So that made me feel very sad if I lost all of them. That's why I'm trying hard to make them strong. But I can see changes since I keep giving them milk. They get more stronger. So like I said, I have hope for the 3 kitten, and also the mama now not ill. Not ill now, so she may be slowly producing milk too. And also I'm still giving her a milk supplement for nursing mama, so I hope it helps. But like I said, she's not ill now, so have more possibilities to produce milk again. Okay, alis chamoy. I wanted to show you the ribs, but they are busy eating. And that one is want to drink milk. Okay, it's very hot. That's why the mama need this the ceiling fan. It's getting more the weather getting more and more hot. And this is Pico. And my house is still messy, very messy. So lots of cleaning. Like I said, lots of cleaning after they finish making the kitchen. And Pico gain weight. And also I don't do any therapy now for Pico because I'm so busy, so no any therapy like massage or water therapy. So after we'll start again because I want him to learn doing his business alone. He still can do his business alone. So that's I want him to learn. So still more need therapy. Ano ko? Nika ko? Nika? He still cannot control the pee, so the floor is always heavy. And also he always smell pee. And so you see that legs, it's wet. And that's what. That's Kimmy, King Mother. Where is King? And there is King. Oh, okay, I just give you the update about my house and the mama. So still, yeah, very messy. Okay na. Bye bye na, bye bye. Bye. Eh?